How to make an abundant cart email flow on Klaviyo. Easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to create an email flow for abundant cart. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your klaviyo.com account. This is where you will get, if you have just created an account or if you're signing in, this is the main dashboard. In order to create an email flow, you have to go to the flow section right here. Email flow are automatic email that we can generate, and it's a flow of email we create. So I will show you how to create one for abandoned carts. Here you will be able to check all of the other flows that you created. To create a new flow, click on this option. Here we have some of the different templates available. Here you can search for the one that we have for abandoned cart. So this one right here. I'm gonna select this one. You can create from the scratch as well with this button right here. So give your abandoned cart a name, select the tags, and then create one. This is where you create an email flow, and you can see the first thing we have, the trigger is when someone's checkout started. Then we're gonna wait for 4 hours. So we're not gonna actually do that. We're gonna send them a notification right away. So I'm not gonna wait, and we will just send them a notification. Moving on, we will send them an email. It looks like you left something behind. So this is what the email will say. We can of course customize the email. Click on it, click on edit, and you will be able to edit the email body that you want to send, and you can write your own email with Klaviyo. So once they get the notification, after that, I actually want to add a wait. So for that, what we're going to do is we're going to actually add a time delay between the notification and the email. And the time delay is going to be not the days, but it's going to be 5 hours. Click on save, and they will get this email. Moving on, we have wait for 1 day. Your card is about to expire. This is the last email I will be sending them. And the wait time for this one is 1 day. You can of course add hours or minutes if you want to. And this is our last email to them. We can of course add another notification, update profile property, or send them an SMS as well. It totally depends on us. We can also add another trigger, and this is how we create an email flow, an abandoned cart email flow with Klaviyo. Once it's done, click on review and turn on, and this email flow will be turned on for your store that you have. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.